Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. Find the critical values in the rejection region for the indicated t-test. Level of significance and sample size is given. So it's a two-tailed test. Alpha is 0.02 and n's 15. So you could do it by hand, but easy ways with the T calculator. So if you go into StatCrunch, if you click on the column, I guess I have it covered up here, stat and calculators, and if there's a number of calculators, but if you click the T calculator, and since it's a two-tailed test, you want to click on between, it'll be standard, and you got to click on between. And then the degrees of freedom, is just 1 minus n. So the degrees of freedom is 15 minus 1. And so, I've entered that here, 14. Now this area in red is the complement of alpha. Alpha is 0.02. The complement's, 1 minus alpha, which would be 1 minus 0.02 or 0.98. So this area under the curve here is 0.98. The area in the tails will be the 0.02, which is what we want. But we got to enter the area in the right if we're using this between option. So you enter 0.98, click compute, and it gives you the critical values that you're looking for. Those are kind of close, but they're a little bit off. If I guess you're routing to the third place, they're not quite correct. Hope this helps.